Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to fix unsupported version error in Facebook Lite. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to go and the search bar, you need to search for the Play Store or App Store if you are using an iPhone. In the search bar, search for Facebook Lite application and make sure that you're using the updated version. So if you're getting an option of update here, just make sure that you update the application. The next one is we need to clear the app cache and data. For that, you need to go to the settings of your phone and in the search bar at the upper right corner or under the apps, you need to search for Facebook Lite. Once you have opened that, here you need to scroll down till the end. You will see an option of storage. Click on that and then click on clear cache at the below right corner. Once you have cleared the cache, the next thing is try to uninstall and reinstall the Facebook Lite application. So how you can do that is press on that particular application and then click on uninstall. A pop-up will come. You need to click on OK. The next thing is what you need to do is again go to the Play Store and download the application again. Click on install and install the application again and then try it. The next one is make sure that your internet connection is good one. So you can again go to your settings and here you can either go to the connection. You can switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular data to Wi-Fi. You just need to make sure that you are using the stable internet connection. Also, once try to reboot your phone, that is you need to hold on to the volume down button and the lock button together, and then you will get this menu. Click on restart button. So this will probably fix the issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.